Today I'm cooking braised chicken feet. It is spicy, salty, savory, and very delicious. Perfect with rice or noodle. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 1 kg of chicken feet, clean, washed, and blanched, 12 pieces of shiitake mushroom, 500 ml of water, cilantro for garnishing, 8 grams of dry chilies, 70 grams of ginger cut to strips, 60 grams of garlic sliced, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 3 tablespoons of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. This is what it looks like. 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking rice wine, and 2 tablespoons of garlic oil. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, make the flour mix. Pour about 25 ml of water into the tapioca flour. Mix until well combined and set aside. Next, make the sauce. Pour all the seasoning into the mixing bowl. Thick soy sauce, light soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, oyster sauce, garlic oil, pepper, and salt. Mix them all together until well combined. Alright, all done, set aside. Originally, I want to use a pressure cooker. Put all the chicken feet into the inner pot of pressure cooker. Pour half of the sauce over the chicken feet. Rub the sauce well on the chicken feet to marinate. I am using gloves to prevent my hand from staining, which is optional. After the chicken feet is well mixed, wash and add the shiitake mushroom, garlic slices, ginger strips, and washed dry chili. Mix them again until well distributed around the pot. Alright, it is well mixed now. Add all the water and mix again. Pour in all the rest of the sauce mixture and put in the pressure cooker. Set the time for 30 minutes. However, my pressure cooker has decided to fail now. After multiple start and restarts, the machine would not start. So I have decided to use a normal way of cooking braised chicken feet. Since it is too late to cook now, I am keeping the chicken feet in the fridge overnight. In a way, I have a chance to marinate the chicken feet until tomorrow morning. Pack the chicken feet and all the ingredients and seasoning into an airtight container and place it in the fridge. I am using a large plastic bag, tie it with rubber band, supported by a container, so it will not leak for convenience. Good night. Alright, it is the next day. Take out the chicken feet from the fridge and rest it for 10 minutes. Switch on the heat to medium. Pour all the chicken feet into a large pan. Add another 900 ml of water to submerge the chicken feet as much as possible. Even them out with the spatula. Then cover the pan and let it braise in the pan for about 2 hours. Stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. If it is getting dry, add a bit of water and continue to braise. After about 1 hour and 45 minutes, open the lid. A lot of water has evaporated and the chicken feet has softened as well. So far, I did not add any more water. Give it a taste. More seasoning can be added as preferred, so I am adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. As it is too spicy, sometimes the type of dry chili can greatly affect the spiciness level. Sugar is added to mellow down the spiciness. Stir to evenly distribute the additional seasoning. Then add all the tapioca flour mix. Stir to thicken the gravy. Wow, it looks so delicious. Switch off the heat and the braised chicken feet is ready to be served. Let's eat. Wow, very delicious. The spiciness, saltiness, and savoriness make it quite rich and very flavorful. The chicken feet are also soft and chewy, which is perfect with rice. If cooked from the pressure cooker, it would be tender and almost melt in the mouth. Still delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.